இன்டர்வியூ எடுக்கலாமான்னு கேட்டேன்.
என்னோட இன்டர்வியூ நீங்கள் எடுத்துடலாம் எல்லாரோடதும்
எடுத்துட்டு
அது பண்ணுங்க, அது ரொம்ப முக்கியம்.
So what is your experience of this event so far?
This is
What do you
my
feel?
which Janma Punyam, I don't know. This is the best that can happen in my life.
Okay.
So all the Diksha, everything is like God's grace. I'm so much indebted to Guruji for everything, teaching from A to Z to us and really taking us into this path. I have learned A to Z, right from Durga Saptashati, Rudra, Navavarna Puja, all the advanced Vedic texts. It's all the gift and the blessings of our Guruji, Amritanandanath Saraswati, Sri Padka.
Please talk to Chandra, I can't. Sriniji, please. Please, Sriniji, talk to somebody. Take somebody from that.
I know you must be feeling overwhelmed.
Yes, it was a nice experience. It was a divine experience. We did this puja after a long time. Last year we did it. So this year again we did Guru Puja for our Guruji and for the whole Guru Mandali.
What is the message that you want to give to Guruji?
Guruji has changed us as a person. He has made us learn so many new things. DM, Rudra, and Shri Navavarna Puja. So yeah, more things to learn. Thank you to Guruji for everything and Guru Mandali.
Thank you. So what is your experience of this?
It's amazing. So amazing. It's so amazing. This is my first time doing it. Last year I missed it. But this year, this is the best. This is the best puja. In front of Guruji Guruma and with the things, although we listened and did it, all the mantras are flowing for some reason. And it's the listening. We didn't focus on what's coming in. It's only the listening that we focused on. I focused on at least. And it took me to a different world. And I would say memorizing the entire puja took me to a different world. I could make the connection. I also memorized the positions, chakra positions, and on the body also. So while doing it, I could make that connection. So connection from body, Sri Chakra place, and on the Sri Chakram. So it's a combination of several different things. It's not one doing the puja mechanically. It is about just getting the connection between the Jivatma and the Paramatma. It was wonderful. This is the first time, and doing all the gurus, I could sense it while the mantra is coming in. Like for example, Vyasa, Vasishta. It started from Dakshinamurti, who is the ultimate. From there to Swaguru. That's the thing that I could get, and it is about you, Guru, and Devi. So that connection I could feel from me to Guru. Through Guru, I'm going to her and coming back to me. So it doesn't stop there. So from there it is coming back to me. So it is back and forth of that layam that I could express. The bliss is beyond words. I'm trying to say something, but it's beyond.
What is the message you want to give to Guruji and Guruma?
Thank you for being there in our lives, in all of our lives. And this would not be possible. I don't even know what Sri Vidya was before. This is only possible because of Guruji Guruma. And they are the Pratyaksha Shiva Shakti, because they cannot be in Manava Rupam. I felt like they are in that form. And that's it. Ultimate bliss. Ultimate bliss.
So what is your experience of today's event?
Are you recording?
And your participation in this?
Well, always a very nice thing to do, a group puja together in real life with Guruji in front of us. And this Guru Purnima celebration was extraordinary. Especially, I mean, just sitting through the Guru Mandala Puja while the others were doing, it's a very nice experience. And you don't get to witness that everywhere.
What is the message you want to give to Guruji and Guruma?
To who?
To Guruji and Guruma.
I don't think I would have come so far without you and Guruji. So we'll miss you around here, but the Guru Mantra will always be around. So, yeah, in that way we will not miss you there.
Thank you.
I'm good.
So how do you feel?
I feel great. Is it a video? I hope it's not a video. The longer you stay,
It is a video.
yeah. I had a very wonderful time. It was a great experience. Debuted in Dayton, and it has been absolutely amazing. I have the Devi's blessings. Thank you so much.
So what message you want to give to Guruji and Guruma?
It is Devi's grace, Guru Mandali's grace, Guruma and Guruji's grace, who has given me this opportunity to perform the puja for the very first time. I'm absolutely blessed, and I'm blessed to have my younger brother also to see me. So it is in presence of all. In the presence of all,
Really?
Shrikant and Surya.
Come here, please. Have a seat there. So, are you also asking him to? He's already here.
Yeah, it's
He's watching you.
Yeah, I explained on his behalf, I think.
What's his name?
Surya.
So, yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Experience of what?
Experience of attending this.
Oh, this is very profoundly significant to me because of the Guru element on Guru Purnima. And you have seen.
Is it the first time you're attending here this puja?
This is my second time.
The second time.
Yeah.
So this was better than the first time.
No, first time was better than. No, I think they're equally good, but first time there was an element of this thing. I'm doing it for the first time. It's always special.
And just check tea is ready.
That was special because it was first. This is special because it's second.
Any message to Guruji and Guruma?
I cannot thank them enough. There are no words for my gratitude towards both of them and how I grew, not only in protocol, them virtues. I learned a lot of virtues, discipline, dedication, devotion, bhakti.
And please ensure everyone takes the prasadam, vishishargyam, and the lemon that is used.
So
Please make sure that
all in
everyone
all,
gets that.
I cannot really ask for anything. I didn't even expect anything. So he accepted me as a disciple, and I'm really grateful. I did not know what more will be there. I'm already thinking that I am up till here in receiving. So I have to increase my patram now, patrata, to receive more because he has endless treasures in his collection. Hi Srinidhi.
Special video for you.
Why?
For a special person, always a special.
Why are you taking video? Hello Srinidhi. I don't know whom you're taking video for, but namaskaram.
Just wanted to get your experience of doing this today.
My experience of doing this. I get emotional, when I start talking my heart.
Then you become emotional.
It is a one of a kind experience. Never without Guruji, we would not have experienced this in our lifetimes, or I don't know. We are really blessed to be with him, to learn this puja so well, and it is a blessing to do tarpanams to all the gurus and the vidya given by the Sri Guru. I don't have words to say, and I will get emotional. No, stop.
So what is the message you want to give to Guruji and Guruma?
Message for Guruji and Guruma? We are blessed to have them in our lives. Nothing. I'll get emotional. No. He'll say you started off again. No.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So Prafula ji, how do you feel?
Oh, very good. Blissful.
Is it your first time?
Amma Mandalam, yes.
It's the first time.
Yeah.
So how do you feel so far? Is this
so good. It's so good. Like, it's so blissful to experience this puja in front of Guruji, and the whole journey was so good.
Any message for Guruji and Guruma?
Message?
Yeah.
Come on, I'm here to take messages from them.
You have to give something back to Guruji and Guruma. That is the message.
The love. Love. That's all.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Prabhu.
Namaskaram, Srinidhi.
Namaskaram. How is everything?
Good. All done.
So, how do you feel?
Good. Very good.
Is it your first time?
Actually, no, this is my second time.
Second time.
And I'm always happy to be there for this puja.
Good.
This is always a blessing actually for me to come here and or like come here or Canada or wherever this puja is happening. I mean, because it gives a lot of satisfaction, immense satisfaction, self-satisfaction. So,
Any message for Guruji and Guruma?
thank you so much, Guruji and Guruma. Thanks for all the blessings and that's all I could say. And then thank you for blessing me with learning more and more.
Thank you.
Thank you, Srinidhi.
என்ன மாதிரி ஒரு உணர்ச்சி வசப்பட்டு இந்த மாதிரி அந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது சொல்லலாம் நீங்கள்?
டிவைனாக இருந்தது. நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணி பூஜை பண்ணேன். இந்த குரு பூர்ணிமா பூஜை பண்ண குருவோடய வந்தேன் நான். அதுதான் பயங்கர ஸ்பெஷல். இதுதான் என்னோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பூஜை அவுட் சைட் ஆஃப் கனடா. நல்லா பண்ணேன், நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணேன்.
குருஜி குருமாக்கு என்ன மெசேஜ் கொடுக்குறீங்க நீங்கள்?
குருஜி குருமா இல்லைன்னா நான் இல்லை இந்த பூஜை செய்யறதுக்கு இல்லை. அவங்களால தான் குருவால் தான் பண்ணேன். குருஜி அவர் எனக்கு ஒரு நல்ல ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி கொடுத்தாரு, சொல்லி
Sorry to disturb you.
No, not at all.
Just wanted to ask you your opinion of what you saw today.
What can I say? I'm overwhelmed. Such a beautiful event. I loved the puja. I loved every step of it. I hope I can join the group. I hope I can join the group someday.
Oh, sure, absolutely. Yeah.
Maybe. Thank you so much for organizing this.
Any message for our Guruji and Guru?
Amazing. The best guru. So loving, so caring, always very caring and teaching us. And I have come a long way. I could not really say the words properly, and I have come a long way. And I feel confident that I can chant someone.
Long way by yourself?
No, Sadhguru. I mean, I learned from the Guruji. I've learned it from Guruji, and plus a lot of the mentors here. They told me what mistakes I was making.